As a UQ student, you're in the privileged position to do physical activity as part of your study.
Physical activity provides exciting opportunities to learn through movement, but it's crucial to understand your responsibilities before you get going. This short video will improve your safety awareness for class.
I'll let you know what you need to do as a student.
And I'll let you know how UQ staff create and maintain a safe learning environment for you and your classmates.
These are the topics that we will cover in this video. At the end, there'll be a quick quiz, so you'll need to listen in. First up, risk management.
Staff at UQ plan their classes using a strict risk management process. Risk assessments have been written for all physical activities that you do. The process for developing those risk assessments focus on these key questions and incorporate regular reviews. You can review the risk assessment anytime in the UQ Safe website. To find it, just search the main UQ website or use the direct link that's in Blackboard. In terms of teaching and learning, your instructors will be experienced teachers of physical activity. Anytime we do something new, you'll get sequential and progressive instruction, including an appropriate warm-up. The instructors will always set up rules for your safety, and we will also provide appropriate supervision for your participation.
Our job is simple: follow instructions and class rules. We also need to participate in a respectful and positive manner. Friendly banter is okay, but rude or offensive behaviour is not okay. If you want more information about what's acceptable and what's not, go to this website. You can search the UQ website or use the direct link that's in Blackboard. In terms of clothing, you'll need to wear something that's suitable for moving around during physical activity, such as a comfortable shirt, shorts and sport shoes. Thongs, sandals and bare feet will not cut it. When you're outside in the Queensland sun, wear a hat, sunscreen and shirt that'll cover your shoulders. Finally, you should take off your jewellery before you play. This way you won't lose it and you won't get injured.
Our job is to make sure that your clothing is okay for physical activity and to stop you participating if it's not. For example, we might just ask you to take your earrings off or to sit out because you don't have the right shoes. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is clothing or equipment designed to protect you from harm. You're in PPE when you wear oven gloves for a hot tray, when you put on a helmet to ride your bike, or wear a lab coat and goggles in a science lab. In sport, examples of PPE are all the protective gear you wear to play cricket, baseball or hockey. In our classes, we'll provide PPE if it's needed. We'll also monitor your use of PPE and will stop you participating if you choose not to comply.
For students, this one is pretty easy. Just wear the PPE as directed by your instructor. After all, it's there to protect you. You might have a pre-existing medical issue that might affect you during physical activity. It could be an injury or a disability. It could also be allergies or pregnancy. Please let your instructor know if this is the case. You can do this privately, and this information will be kept confidential. Instructors don't want to make your condition worse, so know that you have the right to pull out of activities at any time. Finally, it's your job to make sure that you carry your medications, such as an asthma puffer or EpiPen.
Letting us know about your medical situation is really important. It lets us adjust activities to meet your needs or to create alternate learning activities for you. We'll also be mindful that you might need extra breaks during class. For all outdoor activities, we'll consider the weather. In the heat and sun, we'll provide extra rest breaks and use the shade as much as possible. If it's cold or wet, we'll check the surface isn't too slippery and we'll make sure that we include proper warm-ups. If it's too hot or too wet, we'll move the activities indoors or we'll just cancel them altogether.
It seems pretty obvious, but on hot days, remember to bring some water, wear a hat and sunscreen. We're lucky at UQ. We have access to great facilities and equipment. Staff will instruct you to use the equipment. They'll also show you how to carry it, set it up, and pack it away properly. And if something gets damaged, just report it to your instructor. You won't get in trouble. And if you see something unsafe, including near misses, report it so that instructors can review their risk management processes. And that leads us to incidents and accidents. If something does happen, stop all activity immediately and notify your instructor.
And we'll make sure that first aid is on hand and we'll get immediate medical help if needed. After everything is safe again, we'll need to report this using UQ's incident reporting database, and we'll probably ask for your help to complete it.
Pretty simple really. Your main job is to participate maturely and responsibly, and always follow instructions.
Your next step is to do the short quiz to show that you understand your safety responsibilities. If something still isn't clear, you should have a chat with your instructor.
And that's it. Enjoy your time at UQ and play safe.